Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, May the 20th. So let's get started. Alright, I see here a 9 in this row, a 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then in the middle row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here a 9, no 9 there. Here a 9, no 9 there. And also there are 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. How about yes. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. I see here 7. No 7 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. The missing numbers here are the 1, the 3, and the 6. 1, 3, and a 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 3 here, so no 1 and a 3 in this box. 1 digit left for the 6. Here goes the 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. Yes, we have in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. I see here 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So we have a 5 in this column, a 5. One of those 2 boxes in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Yes. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. And then how about Yes. These three numbers, the missing numbers in this column, the missing numbers are the 3, the 8, and the 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. The 6 and the 8 are missing. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then how about this big square? 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 3 boxes. There are 2. No 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Yes. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be here. And then these 2 numbers were the numbers 1 and 3. The 1 and 3 are missing. That means in this column, 1 digit left for the number 4. The 4 is missing in this column. The 4. These 2 numbers, the 1 and the 4, are missing in this big square. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And then in the last row, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Here also a 4, so no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 4. Need to wait. How about these 3 numbers in this big square? The missing numbers are the 5, 7, and the 8. 5, 7, and the 8. I see here 7 and the 8, so no 7 and the 8 in this box. That means 1 number left for the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there, but I see here 5. No 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 5 should be here, or what I see here, 5. No 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see, yes, alright. One number left in this row for the number 7. One number left in this third row for the number 8. 8 is missing. Then how about these 2 numbers? The missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. One number left in this middle column for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then how about 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And 1 number left in this column for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 7. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this third column for the numbers 8 and 6. No, we have a 6. 8 and 3. Yes, 8 and 3. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. For this Sudoku with 2 stars, do you think this is a great Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku in this additional. This will be a 4-star Sudoku. So yeah, see you later. Thank you, and bye bye for now.